Hi, I am Siddharth. Today, I'm going to cover the topics cactus, survival of cactus, nitrogen fixation, rhizobium, symbiotic relationship, and insectivorous plants. Cactus. Do you know where the cactus are mostly found? Yes, they are mostly found in deserts. The cactus prepare its own food in its stem. The spines you see in the cactus are in fact its leaves in the modified version. These plants taking carbon dioxide during the night time when the sun isn't around to suck all their water out. They store carbon dioxide during the daytime, and when the weather is dry during the night time, then they take in the carbon dioxide that they breathe out. Nitrogen are the substances that are required to maintain the plant and to make a plant perform all its life stuff. The conversion from free nitrogen to the nitrogen that the plants can consume is known as nitrogen fixation. Nitrogen fixation happens when in nature when the lightning strikes, and also done by our friendly neighborhood bacteria. The friendly neighborhood bacteria help convert the free nitrogen to the nitrogen that the plants can consume. We can't just keeping friendly we can't just keep calling friendly neighborhood bacteria, isn't it? It's called rhizobium. Rhizobium is so amazing that it helps our plants with nitrogen requirement, but it does not do for free, as they are also living organisms, and so they also require food. They live in the roots of the crops like gram, peas, mung beans, and other pulses and other legumes, and provide them with nitrogen. In return, they get food and shelter from these plants. There are some plants that cannot make their food, but they do not harm anything living to get their nourishment. Let me tell you about lichens. Lichen is a hybrid. It is a part of the fungi and a part of algae. As we know, algae have chlorophyll in it and it can prepare its own food. The fungi takes food from the fung, part of fungi of the fungi part of the lichens take food from the algae, and the thing that you may not know is the fungi receive food food minerals. Sorry, let me tell you again. The fungus part of the lichens take food from the algae, and fungus, and the thing that you may not know is the fungus provide shelter, minerals, and water to the algae. Such type of relationship that benefit both the that mutually benefits both the parties is known as symbiotic relationship. And the remember the rhizobium provides nitrogen to those plants, and get food and shelter. That is also a symbiotic relationship. There are a few non-vegetarian plants. They do not eat chicken, mutton like us. They eat insects. Such plants are known as insectivorous plants. I will come with another few topics in a couple of days. Bye.